Welcome to 127 Rushhaven. This house is located in the Woodlands. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a private pool, and you can see across is a trail for walking or biking. You'll see as we go through this house that it has been meticulously maintained. We'll enter here in the foyer. To our left is the formal dining. Now entering the formal living. You can see through the window shades the pool. We'll go there in a bit. This enters into the breakfast area, to a renovated kitchen with very, very tall ceilings. You can see the nice granite countertops and the rich brown wood. And it's wonderful. It's open up to the living space. And to our left is our laundry room, washer dryer. Let's head out to the pool. You can see there's a nice deck at the bottom. And we'll go to the left to the primary bedroom. We'll first take a peek into this hallway half bath. The primary bedroom leads into the primary bathroom with standing shower, soaking tub, dual sinks, and a spacious primary closet. All right, let's head on upstairs. And so you can oversee the kitchen as you're going up the stairs. It's open all the way to this giant playroom or family den, play area, reading area, leading to the right, which is the second bedroom. To the hallway bathrooms is bathroom number 2, 2 sinks, standing shower tub with a linen closet. To bedroom number 3. And then bedroom number 4 with an ensuite bathroom. All right, just to recap, this is 127 Rushhaven in the Woodlands. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, high vaulted ceilings, and a gorgeous carpet all the way throughout, tile and a private pool in the very back.